So once again, good morning to one and all. Now we will discuss a single variable function. Problems in single variable function. Single variable function. So first, for example, if you have the problem, for example, first problem, c is equal 2x square minus 8x. Just a minute, I'm getting called. 2x square minus 8x plus 3. So this is the single variable function, right? C is one of the dependent variable, x is the only independent variable. So only x and x is there now, so therefore it is a single variable function. For example, sometime they will give you like this: xc is equal to x square minus 8x plus 3. So judge whether the function is maxima or minima. Okay, whether the function is maxima or minima. So judge is nothing but we need to judge it whether the function is minima or maxima, or find out whether the function is minima or maxima. So therefore, as we know that how do we identify whether the function is minima or single or double multivariable function? Because c is the only dependent variable, only x is a independent variable. That is called c is function of x. So if there is a y, so we should confirm that. So this is a multivariable function, right? So since it is a only x independent variable is only one now, so therefore it is called single variable function. So here we need to judge it whether the function is maxima or minima. So what is the first condition? Yes, please.
First condition, sir.
First order partial derivative must be
obtained.
Obtained.
Say, yeah, please stop it. So first order partial derivative must be obtained. Please wait some time. So first is nothing but c is equal 2x square minus 8x plus 3. So this is the function given by the examiner. So we need to find out the first order partial derivative. What is the first order here? Cx. What is Cx? Dou c by dou x. Am I right? Right, here earlier we have the y, now we have the c. So don't confuse that here c and y. Okay, so that's why in order to don't confuse like that's why only I'm giving c and x. Okay, so dou c by dou x. What it means? We need to find out the first order. How much it comes? 2 into 2x 2 minus 1 minus 8. So see here, for those who are attending the first class, see, I'm repeating 2x square. How we can do the derivative? So here power into base power minus 1. What is the power value? Ghatankam viluva enta undi? 2. 2 into base 2x. What is the power value? 2 minus 1. So 2 into 2x 4x 2 minus 1 1. So therefore we can only 4x. Okay, so here that's why I'm written 2 into 2x 2 minus 1. So here see 1 is there, power value. For example, if you want to take 1 into 8, okay, 8x 1 minus 1. So for example, see 2 into 2x 4x 2 minus 1 1. So 1 into 8 8x 1 minus 1 0. So therefore generally we cannot do like this, but in order to understand I'm saying generally we can do 2 into 2 4x 2 minus 1 1. So therefore we can take 4x. So when 1 into 0 1 into 8 8. So x power 1 minus 0 0. So when x power is 0, we cannot take the x value, therefore we can take only 8. Yes, please, have you understood? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first order is over. First order. Then what is that? After the first order must be obtained. Then made equal to 0 within the first order. Okay. Then we made equal to 0. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So we need to made equal to 0. Whatever will get the values, then we made equal to 0. That is 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. Then made equal to 0, right? Then next time on them.
Critical order.
No, not critical order.
Next, sir, the value, sir.
Critical values.
Minimal and maximal
Then
will find
then
it.
we will get the
Critical values.
value. Critical value means x and y values. Am I right? Or a and b values. So here we need to find out the x value. We need to find out the x value. Therefore here 4x is equal to, if you take this minus 8 to the right side, it becomes plus, right? So then x is equal to 8 by 4. How much? Hello.
No, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, have you understood the first point?
Yes.
See, first we find out the partial derivative is over, then we made equal to 0, then we get the critical value. In order to get critical value, see 4x is here and minus 8 is equal to 0. So we can take 4x. If you take this right side minus x, it becomes plus 8. Then x is equal to 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is equal, so 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, right? Then x is equal to 2. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Okay. Have you got it? So whatever we get this 2, it is called critical value. Whatever we get the value, x value, that is called critical value. Is it our first order? Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
ఎవరికి అర్థం కాలేనా చెప్పండి. హలో అమ్మ, ఎవరికి అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. హలో శ్రీలత,
Yes, sir. I
అర్థమైందా?
understood.
ఓకే.
Yes.
So next we will go to the second order. What is second order? Second order partial derivative must be obtained. So second order, what is second order? ZXX, right? Or here we have the CXX.
Z.
Earlier we have the ZXX. Today now we have the CXX, right? So where do we get CXX? It means CXX means dou CX by dou X. So where we can find out the rate of change in CX due to change in X? We need to find out from the first order. What is the first order here? What is the CX here? What is CX? Hello. Here 4x
minus 8.
4x minus 8. This is
8.
6. So then we will find out dou CX by dou X. So how much it comes? 4. Hello. కొంచెం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది, పక్కన రండి అమ్మా. మీరు ఎవరి దగ్గర వస్తున్న డిస్టర్బెన్స్ కొద్దిగా సైడ్కి వచ్చి క్లాస్ వినండి. ఓకే. సో ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ చూసుకోండి. సో dou CX by dou X. So first we need to find out, so rate of change in CX due to change in X. So where is CX here? First derivative. This is first derivative value 4x minus 8. So rate of change in X due to change in CX. So ఇక్కడ x లో మార్పు రావడం వల్ల CX లో ఎంతవరకు మార్పు వస్తుంది అంటే ఓన్లీ 4 అనేది మార్పు వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్, రైట్? So in the second order we found that the first order partial derivative must be obtained. Then check whether this function is minima or maxima. So we need to check whether this function is minima or maxima. So this 4 value is greater than 0 or less than 0?
Greater than 0, sir.
0.
Yes, please.
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
0.
So when the function is greater than 0, what it calls?
Minima
Minima.
Minima.
So this function
is known as minimum.
This function is called minima, right? Is it over? Okay. Then what is the third order? Third order.
Product of second order partial derivative.
The product
Must
of
be
second
greater
order.
than-
See, this is a second order partial derivative. That's nothing but see. So the third order nothing but ZXX earlier, right? So here we need to write CXX into CYY. It should be greater than cross partial. What is the cross partial here? CXY, right?
Yes.
So How much we got is CXX? 4. Right?
4, sir.
Right? So did we get CYY value?
Zero. No.
Did we get it?
Zero.
Did we get it CYY value?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So we got it here, we don't know. So therefore, this third order is not applicable because it is not applicable. It is not third order is not applicable. Simple, we can say NA. It is NA, not applicable. Not applicable. Okay. So for example, we want to get CYX also, we cannot get it, right? So therefore, this third order is not applicable to this problem. Okay. Then what is the fourth?
Estimation of the total
Estimation
function.
of total function.
Estimation of the total function. What is the total function here? What is the total function means? The question that is C is equal. Sorry, I'm C is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 3. This is the total function, Amma. Okay. So here we need to substitute the x value. So what is the x value here? Whatever we got critical value? 2. Okay.
2, sir.
So here we can simply substitute C is equal to 2 into 2x square minus 8 into 2 plus 3, right? So here as it is you can take 2 into 2, 4,
4.
8 into 2, 16 plus 3.
16.
Then 2 into 8, so 2 into 4, 2 4 the 8
8.
and 16 plus 3. So simple you can add or you can cancel here also. You can add the positive values, then 11 minus 16. So therefore minus 5. Right? So have you understood this question problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
అందరికి అర్థమైందా అమ్మా? సింపుల్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ చెప్తాను. సింపుల్ ఇక్కడ కొద్దిగా బ్రీఫ్ గా చెప్పాను స్టార్టింగ్ కాబట్టి. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ దెన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ది అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే? Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yeah. See another problem. For example, if you take another problem, second example. Okay. See here, y is equal to minus 2x square plus 4x plus 2. So sorry, I'm going to just a minute.